How to add Yahoo as your default search engine on Google Chrome. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily add Yahoo as your default search engine on Google Chrome. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Google Chrome, obviously, and then on the top right corner, you'll find the three dots. Tap on it, and from this pop-up menu, scroll down until you find Settings. Go over to your Settings menu. And then on the left-hand side, you'll find various settings menu. Under Performance, you have Appearance, and right under that, you will have Search Engine. Click on it. Currently, my default search engine is Google, so if I just search for anything, it's going to be a Google search. So I can just do Yahoo for now. It's still going to be a Google search. As you can see here, this right here is a Google search. Now what I can do is from the default search engine, I can just tap on change and then select Yahoo to set it as default. If you don't see Yahoo here, click on manage search engine and search sites. Scroll down until you find search engines. Go ahead and click on Yahoo. Tap on the edit icon. Now from here, you can click on these three dots, more action, and then click on make default. Once you make Yahoo your default, you could click on a new tab, and as you can see, whatever you do on this, it's going to be a Yahoo search. Before this, it was a Google search. Now it's going to be a Yahoo search. If I just go ahead and search for Google, it's going to be a Yahoo search, and now it's going to be Google. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.